Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and I'm very excited to make this video for you because this is, I think this is pretty much the first Boeing 767-300 that NG Models has ever put out. So here's a look at them. These are Pratt & Whitney, and then these are CF6 engines. So two different variants, really cool. I'm excited to check these out, show you guys what's up. Both boxes are pretty much the same thing. They're now wrapping these. I kind of do like the shrink wrap packaging. I think it adds a lot of detail, but I think it keeps it looking nice. So, you know that no one's opened this up, but it's hard to tell if, when a plane is damaged in there or not. So, but without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe for more. Model Airport Nation here, showing you guys all different types of 1 to 400 scale model airports. All right, guys. This is 174. These are the PW400 engines. Let's get this seal off. Very excited. I think this adds a lot more fun, though, to the unboxing part of this. So that's really cool. Look at that, guys. I don't even have the airplane out yet. I low-key want to order like 2 more of these, just because these are like, I think these are going to be amazing. Ooh, look at that. Nice crisp box. Absolutely stunning. Let's get it open. All right, guys, here's the initial opening of the PW400 November 174DN. I'll be using this code here to redeem my points. Thank you, NG. And here's a look. Wow. That is absolutely stunning. Yeah, I might be getting some more of these. All right, guys. Look at that. A brand new airplane at birth here. Let's set that right down. All right, guys, the PW400's here. Check this out. Absolutely stunning. Trying to get the best lighting for you guys here. Oh, this thing keeps wanting to stop here. Hold on. Look at that. All right. Let's just turn this here. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. So starting off, oops, sorry about that, guys. So starting off. All right, guys, here's a look at the PW400 here. Zooming in here, you can see the windows in the front. I know a lot of people said that the windows were too high, and now I'm kind of like, I can't like unsee it, but I don't really know like what's correct and what's not. I can see like maybe it would look a little bit off, but I don't know. But I think it looks fine. Checking out the antennas here, I think they did a great job with that. The engines look absolutely amazing. I've flown on 767s on Delta, not I was gonna say millions of times, but many times. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just be the judge of this one here. Take a look. Unfortunately, the only downside is there's no Delta belly on the bottom. So that's something that Gemini Jets does that NG did not do. So maybe they can redeem themselves with this other airplane here. But there you go, guys. Landing gear looks great. All I would have to say is like if nothing on the nose belly bothers you and the winglets and the little details, I guess little details do matter, but like I would definitely get this model again. Like it gets the point across, it looks really good. So yeah, guys, let's go on to the next one, to CF6 engines, and we'll compare them side by side. All right, guys, here's November 173DZ. I'm pretty sure I've been on each of these airplanes in real life before. This is the CF6 engines. Let's get it open. All right, guys, here is the Delta 767 November 173DZ with the CF6 engines. We'll put this next to this one and we'll see what the difference looks like in a minute. Let's get it open. Right here we have November 173DZ Let's get it out of the box here. Looking pretty good. Here we go. Oh yeah, you can tell a difference with the engines because the engines, they're like a little bit... Oh yeah, you can really tell a difference because they're a little bit longer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Because I remember sitting up in Delta One and I was looking, I have a video, and the engines, they're just like longer. Like these ones just kind of cut off. Like they're just a lot shorter, to put it that way. And these, I think I like the CF6s a lot better because you can see like the engine spiral and stuff. They're just a lot cooler. So there we have it. All right, guys, let's get this thing turning here. So November 173DZ, CF6 engines. Absolutely stunning. You guys can see all the wings look amazing, the tail, the antennas, the winglets. Oops, let's look at the bottom quick. Delta belly on this one. All right, NG, you knocked it out of the park with that. Let's see the landing gear. Sorry, guys, 1 second here. Landing gear looks great. Obviously a very delicate airplane like all the other 1/400 scale planes are. So you got to take very, very good care of this. But yeah, I'm happy to have 2 different variants. This is really cool to add to my collection here. Let's take a look at them side by side. All right, guys, here they are side by side. Number 173DZ, CF6 engines, and then November 174 Delta November with the Pratt & Whitney engines. So kind of see them. They look a little bit alike, but if you look close enough, you can see the difference. Gotta look pretty close though. But anyways, guys, here they are. Just I'm speechless, honestly. I'm very happy to have these in my collection. Hope this video helps you guys out. Show you guys them from the top. Obviously, you know what they look like from the bottom. Let's see here. This one's got the Delta belly, and this one does not. But I hope they come out with more, you know, different airplanes too, and airlines, but more 767s and Delta. It'd be nice to have. And also, correction, guys, yes, PW4000s, I quickly realized. So yes, PW4000s and the or CF6 and PW4000s. There we go. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. Model Airport Nation here, showing you guys all different types of 1/400 scale airplanes and airports. Also Instagram, TikTok, Model Airport Nation, and of course right here on YouTube, Model Airport Nation. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Happy collecting.